Ever wondered how the food you eat can influence your diabetes? Well, wonder no more. Today we delve into a topic of great significance: managing diabetes through diet. For those grappling with diabetes, making intelligent food choices can dramatically affect overall health and wellness. In this video, we'll explore 5 extraordinary foods that can aid individuals with diabetes. First up, avocados. These lush fruits brim with healthy monounsaturated fats, which can enhance heart health and stabilize blood sugar levels. Because of their low carbohydrate content and high fiber, they make a superb choice for those managing diabetes. Next, we have legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and beans. These are high in fiber and protein, and boast a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This makes them a prime choice for a diabetes-friendly diet. Coming in third, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are teeming with omega-3 fatty acids, which studies have shown can lessen inflammation and decrease the risk of heart disease. They're also excellent for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. At number 4, we have non-starchy vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and kale. These are low in calories and carbohydrates, but packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These veggies make an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Finally, at number 5, we find whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and barley. These grains are high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for individuals with diabetes. And there we have it. Incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can have a pivotal role in managing diabetes. But remember, it's crucial to collaborate with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that suits your individual needs. If this information proved helpful, do click the like button, share the video with others, and subscribe for more health-related content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy.